Welcome to Springhill Suites, Island Park, Idaho, right outside of Yellowstone National Park. Right as you enter, there's a nice area with a coffee machine, microwave, refrigerator, couch with a trundle bed, nice desk area. This is a very spacious room. We have 2 queen beds, nice big TV, bathroom. We have bathtub shower combination. And out here we have a great view, and I think it's the Snake River. I could be wrong, but beautiful view. Very, very spacious room.